How to fix Facebook login error or if your account is locked. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can fix a login error when your Facebook account is locked. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you're facing login error on Facebook and it says that your account has been locked or anything for that matter, now what we're going to do is we're going to open up Facebook and type in FB locked account. So what happens is if your account is locked, we're going to recover your account if we can't log in from Facebook. So just tap on this link, or you can see unlock your Facebook account. So you can also choose to tap on this link. Now when you do that, it says you'll get an email from Facebook that says that we locked your account, and you log into Facebook and see a message that your account has been locked. So if you have to unlock it, you have to actually confirm your identity. So it says we may ask you to confirm your identity. So tap on this confirm your identity link. It will take you to the page where you can upload a couple of documents of yourself. Or normally when you just try to log into Facebook, you will get a pop-up and a bit of options on how you can recover your Facebook account if it's really that important to you. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.